all shirts are now connected. So I got all 10 shirts listed and they're all connected together. They all have Facebook tracking conversion codes, and they're pretty much ready to go. The one thing I have to do now is I want to create fan pages for all of those teams. I have fan pages for the Bruins and for the Blackhawks. This was a shirt that I did a long time ago that was actually pretty successful. It's a pretty cool one. Respect the Chief. People like that one. So I got those 2 pages. So I need to go create a few more pages. And so just have to go to the create page there. Where is it? There should be one right on here. Maybe not. Okay, so this is actually the new look of the new pages that they're rolling out, and this is the older look of the pages, but doesn't really matter. So I've actually created a little shortcut on my toolbar there. I just click that to go to the create page, and to get that on there, you just got to go to facebook.com/pages/create, and then just grab this link and drag it onto your toolbar like that. I've already got it there, so I'll remove that one. If you don't see your toolbar, I think you just right click up here somewhere in the blue area, right click, and it doesn't show it there. The little button in the corner, bookmarks, show bookmark toolbar, if you can see that there. Just make sure that's checked. Same with Firefox, but I usually use Chrome quite a bit for Facebook stuff just because of the Power Editor and whatnot's in Chrome. Let's go with cause or community. And so I need one for the LA Kings. So just say LA Kings fans. Okay. They don't they don't want 2 capital letters. That's fine. Just LA Kings fans. It's good enough. We're all the LA Kings fans hang out to be awesome. I always make something different. It doesn't really matter. Now we need an image, so I just go to Google Images. So there's little images up in the corner there. Click that, and LA Kings. Grab that, right click, save image as. I'll just save it. It doesn't really matter. I'll just save it here, I guess. SVG. I don't want an SVG file. Let's try something else. What about this one here? Right click, save image as. PNG. That works better. Let's make a folder here and call NFL images. Stick it there. I'm going to need to get one for the Canadians and Rangers anyway, so let's go Montreal Canadiens. Get that there. Right click, save image as, and go get the New York Rangers. Right click, save image as. There we go. And so this one was for the LA Kings, so it's upload from computer. And where was that? Where did I do that now? Downloads. There it is. LA Kings. Next. Skip. Skip. And the page is created. Skip all that stuff. All right. Let's create a new page. Do Montreal Canadiens fans. Canadians are awesome. Or just go Habs go. How's that? Is real? No, but no, this is not the real Montreal Canadiens fans organization. I don't know, but no, we're just using these pages for ads, so they don't have to be anything special. Next, skip. We'll skip one more time here. Skip there. Skip there. Then we'll do one more design. We'll click create page. Not one more design, sorry. One more fan page for the New York Rangers fans. Get started. Go Rangers. Upload that Rangers logo. Next. Skip. Skip. All right, so now we have all of our pages. So we got the LA Kings. So I got the Boston Bruins, LA Kings, Blackhawks, Montreal Canadiens, and the New York Rangers. And so what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to post the image just like this on each page. So I need to go get the image of each one of those shirts, which I've already gone and done that. To get all the images, I simply just go to each page and then download them to my computer. Looks like it's taking a while here. There we go. So I'll just go and right click, save image as, and then I'll go ahead and save it to the computer. But I've already done all that. And so the next thing I really want to do here is I'm going to go to each page and I'm going to post the new image, and I'm going to put a quick little saying up like that on it for each one, and then we're going to create our ads in Facebook. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do 2 posts per fan page for each shirt, and then what I'm going to do is use the Power Editor to create basically boosted posts using 2 campaigns for each design style. But the first thing I need to do is get all these shirts onto the fan pages. So what I've done is I've just added some text. Show off your passion for your favorite team. I'll do the US spelling of favorite. Favorite team. Pre-order here. And then the link. Make sure the link's right. Sale ends June 3rd. Grab one before it ends. So we post this here. Okay. And then I'll go ahead and do the next one. And the next one is going to be the one more. Just one more before I die. And I have some text here that I pre-wrote. Just one more cut before I die. Pre-order here. Never give up on your favorite team and show off your passion with this new awesome design. Sale ends June 3rd. Grab one here. Grab one before it ends. Pre-order here. I just put the link again at the bottom. A little more text in the last one, but that's good enough. Post. So I got 2 shirts there. And I do have my older one there that was incorrect. I mentioned that I kind of messed up with this one and I put tie in there where NHL don't have ties anymore. So I'm just going to go and click here and just hide this from the page. Actually, I'm going to delete the photo altogether. So get rid of it totally, so I don't want it on there, so they can just see those 2. I do have 124 fans on this page, so those people will actually see those shirts. It's not really that much of an audience, but let's go to the LA Kings and do the same thing. And we'll do the bleed first. This one here. And then we'll add our text. So what I just got a text file over to the side here, so I'm just basically copying it in there. I can show it what I'm doing here if you want to see it. So I'm just going to grab the text from my text file, toss it in here, and I need my link. This is the Bleed LA King shirt. Add that there. Go ahead and post it. We'll do another one for the other shirt. Get the text here. Post that one. Now let's go to the Blackhawks and do the same. This is a little different now. Blackhawks here. Bleed Blackhawks. Now I do have some fans on this one. I have 268 people. So let's do the next one here. It'll be the one more. There it is. That's the Blackhawks one there. Post that. So the Montreal Canadiens. You see, it's pretty simple to do. This is how I like doing bulk campaigns. I'm doing like 10 shirts at a time. I just don't put much into the ad, much effort into the ads and whatnot. If it's going to sell, it's going to sell. And then I just handpick the ones that are starting to sell, and then I'll scale those ones out. And the last one is the New York Rangers. So once you get going pretty quick here, you can see it's not too difficult. And our last one here. And the cool thing about these posts that we're doing right on our page is that after we list our campaign and have them live, during the campaign, we can actually come back here and change the copy. We can change that if we want. Well, that's powerful. So let's say it's like near the end of the campaign, I can come back here and say, oh, there's only 72 hours, make sure you grab it now, sort of thing. And you also have the ability to come here and hide from the page. But even if you're sending traffic to this post through an ad, even if when you hide it, it's the people that they're still going to get to that post through your ads. You're just not going to see it on your page. It's essentially a dark post, unpublished post. All right, so the next thing I want to do now is actually go into my Power Editor and set up all these ads and get them running.